డే 74 ఈ రోజు బిగ్ బాస్ హౌస్ లో ఫ్యామిలీ టైం కంటిన్యూ అయింది. ఫస్ట్ కళ్యాణ్ పడాలాస్ మదర్ లక్ష్మి ఎంటర్డ్ ద BB9 house. She spent 14 minutes with Kalyan Padala and housemates. Kalyan's mother suggestion for Kalyan is be brave. Take a stand for yourself. Don't trust anyone blindly. Kalyan got very emotional seeing his mother's entry. Kalyan's mother Lakshmi win chicken for housemates. Clash between Divya Nikita and Barney Shankar about Tanisha. Next, Ritu's mother Rajni entered the BB9 house to spend 15 minutes with Ritu and housemates. Ritu got very emotional seeing her mother. Ritu's mother Rajni's suggestion for Ritu is play hard, win captaincy, focus on your game only. Rajni win brown bread for housemates. Later, Barney's daughter Aarti entered the BB9 house to spend 15 minutes with Barani and housemates. Barney's daughter's suggestion for Barani is play like yourself, be yourself, focus on captaincy, avoid commanding people, and take care of your health. Barney got emotional. Barney's daughter Aarti said she likes watching Tanuja and Barney's bond on screen. She also liked Tanuja very much. Aarti also said, Divya, please stop commanding my dad. Later, Aarti win Rava for housemates. That's it for day 74. Comment about your favorite BB9 contestant. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, like, comment, share, much more. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.